When you go to JVector.net and click on Launch App, you will open the JVector application, which is used for vector drawing illustrations or editing vector objects. The interface consists of several parts, so here we have a top bar, which also has a full screen button. When I click on it, I will get a full screen view. There we also have zoom options, as well as undo and redo options. And if you click on the application logo itself, you will get basic information about the version or license. Right below the top bar, we have a tab system, where each tab has certain associated options. In the Home tab, we have options for opening, saving, exporting, copying, pasting, and so on. In the Layout, we can choose the size of our document, and in the View tab, we have options for working with rulers, guidelines, and grids. The Edit Path tab is used for editing nodes. The Object tab for working with objects, and the Text tab for working with text. On the left side we have a toolbar. There we have the Select tool, Pen tool, Node Edit tool, Rectangle, Ellipse, Line, Freehand, Text and Gradient. In the lower part of the application we have options for coloring objects, their fills and their lines and a predefined color palette. On the right side we have the Layers panel and the Properties panel. We can also zoom by using the scroll wheel on our mouse. Panning the work area can be done by pressing the spacebar on the keyboard and left-clicking the mouse while moving. We can also do this by pressing the wheel on the mouse and dragging the work area as we wish. For example, if I draw a rectangle, in the Layers panel I will see that it is selected, and in the Properties panel we see basic information about this object. We have its name, what it is, its position, its size, the angle it is at, the coloring options, just like here. And we also have options to edit the line itself, the transparency of the object, and I can add a shadow, or edit gradients. In this lesson, we covered the basic interface of the application itself. In the next video, I will talk about the tools and their properties. Until then, visit JVector.net, try it out, and let me know what you think in the comments.